Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking up after the day, what I wore. You get a week of outfits, PA weather, life, and lots of puppies. I'm Laura. Sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is Sunday morning, and after yesterday was 80, today is 40. It is freezing cold outside. I don't know what's going on, but the sun is out, so it looks pretty, very deceiving, and you go outside and you want to run back in. All right, so I have another busy week ahead, as is the normal, and I have on such an easy outfit. First of all, this is all from Yvette. I'm so happy I did a video on this outfit today, so you're going to get a lot more to come on it, and I'm super happy to even wear it as my outfit today. I can hear Dexter breathing under my door. So I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but I can hear it. So I have on, like I said, all my items are from Yvette, which is an amazing sportswear brand, and I was very fortunate to be able to partner with them. I have on this adorable zip jacket with the thumb holes over this really great long line bralette, and then I have leggings on, which I have not worn for a while, and I'm actually finding them incredibly comfortable and perfect for my workout later today. And then I have on my tennis shoes are by Skechers, and these are fabulous. They're called the Skechers Air Cooled Goga Mat. I wear these for all my walking. They're so comfortable. Good for on my walking pad, but good for walking the dogs as well. And they're slip-on. You don't have to bend over. Why bend over if you don't have to, right? So those are great. And for jewelry, I just have on my permanent jewelry today and nothing else. All right, I am off to get some work done today. Hope your week starts off great, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. Time for outfit of the day. It is freezing cold outside like it was yesterday. It's only 40 right now. The high is 43. It's just so cold outside. Like after we had 80-degree weather, it's so unexpected. My JB Stylebox posted today. It was, I thought, a really good collection. And I did keep some things. I kept the denim jacket, which I was actually surprised when I was pulling it from you. However, I think I kept it because it was so different from my other jackets, and I felt like I could wear it as a top. So I think that's why I kept it. It's lightweight too. I ended up keeping the Z Supply dress. I asked if I could exchange it. They didn't have any more. So I kept it, and I realized the reason why I felt like the stitching or the seams were off was because one was flat, it was iron flat, and one was puffed up. So I think I just need to iron it. I did keep the little red tank. Can you tell it's already been a busy Monday? The green striped tank, I thought that was adorable. I kept this little blue top. I thought this blue top was gorgeous. And I kept the Liverpool denim. All right, I kept the scarf too. I love this as a little just add to an outfit. Like I think actually I could probably put it on with what I have on today. Like you could just, add it to any outfit and wear it. So that's why I end up keeping it. But yeah, I could have worn it with this outfit. Anyway, so I kept that. What did I not keep? I didn't keep the bag because I didn't think that I really needed it. And I did not keep the dress. So I didn't keep the Free People dress because it was just too long and I kept tripping over it. And I don't need to fall. I had a fall at work last month and it really hurt my knee, and that's again because my pant hem hooked into as I was going up steps and I got my shoe and my pant hem, it was bad. Anyway, so I just didn't want to get something that was just not going to be the right length for me, and I just wouldn't grab for it. But I thought it was so pretty, I really had a hard time sending it back. I asked if I could cut it off at the bottom, and she said if you did and something happens, you can't return it, and it was an expensive dress, so I thought, all right, not meant to be. There'll be another dress. And for my outfit today, because it's so cold, I have on my Rag & Bone Miramar black pants with the fun black running stripe. Love these. They're just so comfy. I did give it just a slight cuff because I haven't washed them yet, and they'll shrink a little bit when I wash them and should be the perfect length. But I thought that just matched with my jacket, which is by Lou & Grey. Got it from from the Loft. And my top, which is a long sleeve black tee, is from Z Supply. For shoes, I pulled these oldies but goodies out. I didn't want to go full on shoe, but these are a fun little open backed loafer that I got on sale at the Evereve store. They're Dolce Vita. Got that probably 3 or 4 years ago now. For jewelry, I just have on what I've been wearing, same hoop earrings and the necklace my husband got me and my permanent jewelry, and I'm off to work. I'll be up early tomorrow, so I have to get to the office tomorrow early, so you should see me bright and early when it's still dark outside. I'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is pitch black outside at 4:40 a.m. and I've got to get on the road. So for my outfit today, I have on Dear John denim and a Central Park West jacket, both from a Front Door Fashion. I have on a loft long sleeve tee because it is chilly outside. It's 30 degrees. It's going to skip to 62, so we'll see. It's chilly out. And then for shoes, I did pull out sandals, show the toes. These are by Halogen. I've had them for years and years, and I love them. And I have a loft belt on. My jewelry is actually, I think this might be a loft necklace too. And then my bracelet stack. We're off. All right. Hope you guys are staying warm, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is 43 degrees out, but it's getting up to 70 today. I took the last minute decision to come home tonight instead of tomorrow. So I'll be headed home. And for my outfit today, I have on Dear John denim and a Sanctuary little like sweater tank. See that? From a boutique I found it in. And then my jacket is by Splendid. I got it in a Trendsend, so it's from Evereve. And I paired it with these fun shoes I just got from Donald Pliner. Cute are these. Can you see the like shimmer in there? Yeah, they have some fun gold shimmer. I somehow forgot my gold belt. I thought it was in here from last week, but apparently I took it out. Probably wore it home. So no belt today. And then I just have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack. We're ready to get this day going. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is a sunshiny, beautiful day outside. It's a temp look, 73 already, getting up to 76, so it's gorgeous out. It was a little cooler this morning, but really, really nice outside now. Yesterday, my Ana Luisa and my loft haul posted. I hope you check that one out. It's so good. Like the jewelry is so pretty. I've already worn it. So you might, if you were paying attention, I wore it in one of my outfit of the days. And yeah, so, so pretty. And the loft pieces are amazing. Like I really had a lot of fun with that one. And let's see, for today's outfit, Willie's so funny. Are you silly? You're silly. I have on a Faherty skirt from a Trendsend probably 2 years ago, I think, paired with a sweater tank from Pilcro that I got at Anthropologie. Put my jacket on. I really like this. I actually kind of wore it as a top for work. These dogs keep French kissing me. So I had it buttoned up and for my video meetings like this, and I just had worn it like this, and I got so many compliments. This one is from Sanctuary, and I got it in a JB Stylebox. And then for shoes, I have on these Dolce Vitas. And then for jewelry, same necklace, and then I just have my bracelet stuck on. And that's a wrap on Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, Loke. What do you think? What do you think? Dexter's got a new toy. My husband got him. So, well, he actually got this one for Loki. He'll buy like a different toy for each of the dogs that was actually Loki's, but it looks like Dexter took it. I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Friday. We made it to Friday, and it is a gorgeous day. The prettiest day of the weekend, because the rest of the weekend does not look anything like this, at least what they're predicting. So it is a beautiful, beautiful day. 72, getting up to 77. My husband's mowing the lawn right now. It's just, yeah, it's super pretty outside. Let's see, Friday Funny. My pool was opened this week, so exciting, favorite day of the year. And And guess who had to be the first one in the pool? Of course, it was Loki. Loki's in the pool. We couldn't let him stand there long because he kept trying to drink it and there's chemicals, so we had to get him out. But here's a little snippet of him having a bit of fun as he jumped in the pool for the first time this season. And of course, he was the first one to be able to do it. The other puppers weren't ready just yet. I think Loki is going to be a pool dog this year. That's my expectation. Not just a raft dog. And for my outfit today, I have on Charlie B Skort. So it looks like a denim skirt, but there's actually shorts underneath it. Paired with a Good American tank. I got it Nordstrom. And then this Evereve little vest I put on top of it. Got it last year. And for shoes, these I also got last year, Marc Fisher. And that's my outfit. I have on my Louis Vuitton necklace with the necklace my husband got me. I didn't put any bracelets on. Go figure. Forgot. And that's my outfit today. We got one more day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is a rainy day. I won't say cold. It's 60, supposed to get up to 64. So it's not cold out, but it's a rainy, like grayish day. And it's supposed to rain pretty much like the entire day. Let's see. So my Cozy Island and Nordstrom, I think everything I shared with you was Nordstrom, haul posted today, and it is so good. I get so many compliments from my Cozy Island shoes. You just can't even believe it. And I feel like I picked some amazing pieces from Nordstrom that really pop and will be great staples for your closet as well. So hope you check it out. Let me know what you think. And for today's outfit, I have on a Matty M skirt that I got in a front door fashion. Paired it with a Nikibiki tank. This one came in a JB Stylebox, and a Bec Lefay jacket that came in a Trendsend last year. And how about these fun shoes to pop it off? Pop it off? Top it off? These are from Dolce Vita. They have these cute little pearls on them. And just like a little kitten heel. For jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa. I have an Ana Luisa ear cuff. I have on a little bracelet stack. And we are off. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. As always, I'll put all the information down below. So if I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so those are all there too. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.